Alright guys, this is going to be a really quick one. Welcome to our Mix It Up series on migrating from our friend over at, I'm calling it Streamlabs because it's the one I used, over to our friends over at Mix It Up. And I want to point out something that's called community commands. Community commands is going to be a short one because I think it's super cool. Allows you to just take a look at what other people are doing and download them right into your Mix It Up. I think it's so cool. Don't care what any of these things say. I'm just scrolling down the thing to show you that this is super cool. You can just click on them. I don't even know what I clicked on, and you can download them and put them into your thing. I'm not going to do that. I don't even know what I clicked on. I'm being honest. But I think this is such a cool feature that you can then search for things and see what the community out there is doing. You can, when you go to your commands, oops, wrong one. You can upload to the community. Doesn't matter, I thought I was going to show something sensitive. You can just upload that to the community then, and it'll be there for people to download. So if you've got some really cool commands you want to share with people, you can absolutely do that. So shout out to this amazing app that does allow the community to share its things. That is such an amazing feature that I wanted to highlight it in its own video. All right, really quick, short, simple. Hopefully you liked it, and we'll catch up next time. Let's take a look. What are we gonna catch next? Maybe a generic overview. Anyway, guys, I will catch you in the next one. Take care of yourselves.